All right, weather-wise, we're looking at a big week of changes because we've got 2 cold fronts before Thanksgiving and a third one this week. Let's get to the big board, show you what's happening on the hill. Winds are relatively calm. We had a pretty breezy afternoon and evening with the front pushing through, but right now, 15 miles per hour, so it's still a bit breezy, but not here at the station. Remember, when we look at these current conditions, these are coming in from San Antonio International. 54 right now with skies mostly clear. Speaking of the airport, show you the official numbers on this day. 85 degrees the high. 85. It's like, what happened to fall, right? Now, 86. We were only one away from a 1942 record that stays in place. This morning, 58, but we're going to go down to average for tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at the highs today. While we were hitting mid-80s, look at New Braunfels, 88. How about Gonzales, 89? Okay, how about Cotulla, 90 degrees? 90 degrees on Thanksgiving week. Same at Del Rio. Right, yeah, Henry. Oh, ew, ew.
It's supposed to be sweater weather.
Now here comes sweater weather. For tomorrow, for sure, caldo weather, it's going to be perfect. Front is already through at the coast right now, so a good amount of this cooler air spilling south and into the south central counties. So here's what we're expecting for Tuesday morning, 44 to 46 in the city and metro. So I would go with 43 Helotes. I'm going 38 out at Bernie and then probably 37 at Bandera. Maybe about the same in Kerrville and Fredericksburg. 36, 37 would be the coldest out there. No freezing temps. 47 St. Hedwig, 45 Seguin, 43 out in Hondo. There is some pretty decent moisture. So I would hope that when these fronts come through, we'd get some much needed rain, but it's just not the case. You see the upper level low? That's well to the north. So a lot of the energy, we're not getting upper level support. These fronts are coming through so weak. And so without a lot of lift, instability, buoyancy overall, we're just not going to get a chance of rain in here. We will see pretty topsy-turvy numbers, not only temperatures on the air, but temperatures of the dew point. Take a look. Today was 40s. We're going to spend most of tomorrow there as well, but then quickly on Wednesday and into Wednesday afternoon, climb on humidity with dew points back in the 60s before they fall off behind the Thanksgiving Day front and then stay at about the 40s for the foreseeable future. I mean, it's going to be nice because we'll get a couple of reinforcing fronts to keep dew points low. All right, 14-day forecast. We start with 46 tomorrow morning. Again, mid to upper 30s, the coldest out there in the hill country, then 68 as opposed to today's 85. Now here goes the roller coaster. We go back up. Look at Wednesday, mid 80s again before we fall back on Thanksgiving Day behind that front. Then heading into the weekend, we kind of settle in. 64 on Friday, 70 on Saturday. Chilly mornings. In fact, look at Saturday morning, 40 in the city. That's going to be a light freeze in the hill country. 65 on Sunday the 1st. Our first day of December is a really nice looking fall day. But then by December 3rd, and that's the first Tuesday of the month, we've got a chance of rain that stays in the forecast. Not a huge chance, nothing you can count on, but at least a 30% chance for 3 days in a row of some of the much need, and that would be the precipitation. We need some rain, my brother.